Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I am so excited you're here. So we're going to talk about how to make money online in 2025 with proven strategies that actually work. Ready? So did you know that over 1.6 billion people around the world are making money online? Here's the catch. Most of them fail because they're following outdated, unreliable advice. That stops today. By the end of this video, you'll know the exact strategies to start making money online and how to avoid the mistakes that hold most people back. So let's dive in. You ready? Big picture. Ready? Let's be real. The internet is full of quick fix promises and misleading get rich quick schemes, right? It's so overwhelming. But making money online doesn't have to be complicated, y'all. If you focus on strategies that actually work. I've personally sold hundreds of online courses and coached others to build real, sustainable income streams. So trust me when I say that 2025 is going to require smarter approaches than we used in 2024. The good news, I got you covered. Problem, right? The number one issue people face when trying to make money online is information overload, right? You're bombarded with questions, options like freelancing, affiliate marketing, drop shipping, digital products, but there's never really a clear path forward. And then there's the scams, like people promising easy money if you just pay for their secret formula. Sound familiar? Okay, I thought so. The challenge isn't just figuring out where to start, it's knowing who to trust and what's actually worth your time. That's why I'm here to help. Let me guide you through the noise and show you what really works. All right. So, strategy number one, and my personal favorite. Okay. First strategy, selling digital products. This includes things like online courses, ebooks, templates, even printables. Why do I love this method? It allows you to monetize your knowledge, y'all, right here. For example, I've sold hundreds of courses online. My absolute favorite that gave me the foundational business that I use now, Roadmap Exclusive. But what I've learned is that people are willing to pay for well-organized, actionable information that solves their problem. The best part, once your product is created, it's scalable, meaning you can sell it over and over again without additional effort, right? So that's strategy number one. Number two, affiliate marketing. Next up, yeah, it works. This is where you earn a commission for promoting other people's products, which is what Roadmap Exclusive has switched to. It's perfect if you don't have your own product to sell yet, right? The key is to only promote products you believe in and that align with your audience's needs. For instance, I've learned that earning a passive income only necessarily works if you're promoting tools and platforms like the ones that I love. Email marketing, software design, design tools, those kinds of things like System.io or Stan Store, which I personally am a Stan ambassador for and I adore. There are ways to use affiliate marketing in your current business, even if you're trying to be a digital marketer, social media strategist, social media manager. There are keys to affiliate marketing that you can use. Just make sure you disclose them, right? All right, on to strategy number three. So, Fiverr, Upwork, right? I learned to early freelance, right? I didn't necessarily do anything for anybody but me. But if you have a skill like copywriting or ad copy, graphic design, social media management, you can make money as a freelancer or a consultant, guys. Don't lock yourselves into anything, right? Platforms like Fiverr and Upwork are great starting points. But here's a pro tip. Don't rely solely on these platforms. Use your social media to showcase your skills and connect directly with your potential clients, guys. That's how you're going to build long-lasting relationships and grow your income and eventually scale your business. Cool? Strategy number four, content creation. Let's talk about it. Whether it's YouTube, blogs, TikTok, Instagram, sharing valuable content that can open up multiple income streams, ads, sponsorships, even product sales. The trick here is consistency and offering, and this word is big, real value to your audience. Even with a small following, y'all, you can make a massive impact. All right? So here's your big takeaway. The game changer. Ready? Instead of focusing on just one strategy, think about building an ecosystem. I know that's kind of scary, but let's think about it. So I combine my digital products, affiliate marketing, and content creation into one system. My courses bring people into my email list where I recommend tools and resources as an affiliate, and my YouTube content drives traffic to both places. This interconnected system is what sets successful entrepreneurs apart, right? 2025 is about creating systems, not one-offs. Did you catch that? 2025 is about creating systems, not one-offs. All right? So let's recap. Selling digital products, affiliate marketing, freelancing, content creation are all proven ways to make money online. But the real key is to think long-term and build systems that grow over time. Trust me, these strategies are only going to become more powerful as we head into 2025. So now it's your turn. Drop me a comment below about which strategy you're most excited to try. And I included a freebie at the end of it, so if you stuck around, thank you. Download my free guide. It's the ultimate toolkit for making money online in 2025. It's step-by-step instructions and my top tools for each method. So check out the link in the description. Also, somewhere around here is probably a subscribe button, right? So go ahead and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next video. And I'm going to do a lot more deep dives into making money online. So let's grow together. It's been my pleasure to hang out with you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys have a fan-freaking-tastic day.